You don't need a new life, you eat a new day. Because life doesn't change overnight, it changes daily. Every morning, you wake up with a choice to stay the same or to become better. But here's the truth, most people choose comfort. They choose a sleep over discipline, excuses over action, fear over growth, and slowly, they lose their dreams. But you are not here to be average. You are here to rebuild yourself. Maybe your past is messy. Maybe you failed. Maybe you feel lost. But listen carefully. That's not the end of your story. Because today, you can start again. You don't need to fix everything. You just need to fix today. One good day can create momentum. 2 good days can build confidence. 30 good days can change your life. But it starts with 1. So today, wake up with purpose. Move with discipline. Act with courage. Start small. Make your bed. Plan your day. Focus for 1 hour without distraction. These small actions build a powerful mindset. Because success is not about big moments. It's about daily habits. What you do every day decides who you become. Think about it. Where will you be in 1 year? If you keep going like this, pause. And where could you be if you change starting T? So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop delaying and start. Even if it's hard, do it. Even if you don't feel ready, do it. Even if you're scared, do it. Because action creates confidence. Deep powerful line. You don't gain confidence first, you build it by acting. One day, you will thank yourself for not quitting, for not waiting, for not giving up. So today, make a decision to rebuild your life, to rebuild your habits, to rebuild yourself. 1 day at a time, 1 step at a time, 1 new day at a time.